Okay, Angry
Oh.
Bird time. It's Angry Bird time.
Angry Bird.
I hope I'm recording correctly. Because for some reason I can't exit. I can't. Whatever. This is loud.
Wait, is this one an easy one or a harder
I
one?
want the music.
I'm giving you an easy one.
Alright, thanks.
Oh my god, bro. These are the worst settings ever. Whatever. I'm gonna play Angry Birds.
3x times 6y divided
Angry Birds 2.
by
No,
ys.
3x times 6y over
I think I got the worst
yx.
thing.
Oh, so it's division.
Yeah. And
Oh, it's
you
3
know there's
divided
no
by x,
answer
you
to
said?
this you know there's no answer to the equation, right?
Let's go, Angry Birds.
Oh, that makes it easier. Oh, never mind.
No, it doesn't.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I believe we did one of these in like class or something. I forget.
I'm not
Here,
gonna
Really?
I don't know. It looked something.
Wait, Quentin,
sorta
are you
like
in
that.
math 7?
No, I don't know. Wow, I can't name gay and egg.
Check your sis.
Let's go.
Wait, do you
Literally
guys
just-
use sis?
Hey mom, what math level am I in? Oh, great. Okay, nobody knows in my family.
What subject are you learning?
Like, what am I learning right now?
No, I'm talking to Quentin. The
Oh.
quad.
7?
Quad
You guys are
dingle.
like
I'm
doing
in
the
7.
same math.
I'm in 7, I think.
Yeah,
Math
you're in
7?
7th grade math.
What is you doing? What are you doing?
Playing Angry Birds. Let's go. I'm gonna
No, what
play-
is he doing?
me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I forget. It's like math.
Let's go, Angry Birds 2. Let's go,
Math
let's go.
7?
Let's go.
Math
Yeah,
something. I'm not in the same bill as Quentin, so it might be different.
Are you doing 8th or 7th grade math?
I don't know.
Me neither. I don't know.
I'm asking what Quentin's learning in it. Yeah, what are you learning in math?
Me?
No, Quentin, I said.
Let's go, let's go.
And you know what? This is just
3
hopeless. Never mind.
stars. Let's go.
Here,
boys,
I'll
let's
just
go.
solve the problem out. So,
Yeah, let's go. I'll buy Terrence now. Give me that Terrence boy. Let's go. Whoa.
oh, there's no equal sign to it.
Yeah, that's the point. There's no equal sign. There's no answer to the equation.
Oh, so basically you're just simplifying it.
Exactly.
All right.
Let's go, Terrence. Let's go, Terrence. Booyah, booyah.
So it's 3 divided by x, right? No, all right. I'm gonna just do it how it looks like. One second. Let me get a scrap paper.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Rocket ship? Yeah, sure, boys. He's teasing me. I'll bring out the big guns for this guy. Yeah, that's right, Terrence. Go get it. I'm the best at the game. Go. Let's go, all 3 stars.
Alright, so anyways. Remember the math problem.
You guys doing simplifying equations right now?
Oh no, he's playing Angry Birds. He's doing
No, I'm
physics.
talking about the US jargon.
I'm doing physics, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god, even the picture agree with me. You said yes,
I remember doing equations with variables on both sides as like a review.
Oh, I think I know what you guys are learning.
I don't know.
Are you guys
They're using it
learning
as a review.
variables, constants, coefficients?
We already learned that last grade.
Are you guys reviewing it though?
Yeah, we're just reviewing it.
Yeah, you're in math 7.
Gifted or not, or honors or not honors. Honors or not honors, because our school system is like a bit different.
I'm in honors.
This Angry Birds is my favorite physics game.
I was gonna go to Algebra 1 honors, but I'm like, no, not yet.
Oh yeah, I'm doing Algebra 1, that's what you said.
Really?
Regular algebra. Last year was pre-algebra, I believe.
I'm obsessed. This is my favorite game.
You know pre-algebra is college math. I don't think you're doing college math.
If I could, no, algebra.
No, that's not what.
We did algebra last year.
Algebra is
Remember,
basically
Anthony?
like. Algebra is basically like something that
Go.
has.
Do you guys have something called SIS?
Also,
Yeah.
oh yeah, we have.
Huh?
Also, we
Go
have
on student view. You can check.
Also, college grade math is like
Oh no, never mind. Just take out.
yeah, calculus.
I'm gonna beat this guy to a pulp.
That's college.
No, go on student view.
math.
Go on student view.
Good thing I have my Chromebook here so I can send something via his school Gmail.
Go on student view. You can check.
That was a funny sound. The piglets are just gonna ah!
Oh, you still playing Angry Bird?
Let's go. No, he stole my egg. Gotta get him. Go, 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 go.
Pokemon
What's
Go
that?
every day. I've never.
Oh, what'd you guys get on your SOLs?
Oh, I don't remember.
I don't remember.
No,
All I
but
know is that it got me into.
Yeah, I want to
Get
go
six
take
class
yeah.
honors.
Yes, sir. Yes,
But I'm clearly not going to skip their honors. Alright,
sir.
please.
Terrence, go destroy that building. I committed mass genocide.
Wait,
No,
Ed,
I
keyboard.
lost Terrence.
go check student view.
I am! Look! I'm literally signing in to student view. Let's doing the funny line again. God.
Yes, sir. Genocide on the piggy. Well, I'm gonna get bomb next. I'm gonna get bomb next. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys.
Algebra 1.
Yes, sir.
Oh cool, I'm honored everything. Let's go. Besides PE and orchestra.
Algebra 1 or Algebra 1 honors?
It just says Algebra 1. But math is one of my strongs, so I think it's honors.
You guys do the same thing as us, I think.
Alright, anyways, back to solving the variables. Alright. Chromebook's closed. Here, I'll even put,
You guys are doing math while I'm playing Angry Birds.
wait, how, 1 second. I'm causing a whole
Yeah, let's
wreckage.
practice with the bomb man.
Oh, here's the bomb.
Yes,
Alright. It's gonna be upside down for you here. Oh,
Okay, I'm way too lazy to solve it now.
just put it in Google or Wolfram Alpha.
hey, Dad.
Wolfram Alpha is like, also my keyboard's, standing up on, it's me? Oh.
What?
Anyways, this is what my keyboard looks like. It's, you see it, right? It's slanted on the thing, so yeah.
Do what?
Anyways,
No, don't send it to me. I'll play Minecraft next time I come to your house. Oh, well, I'm playing Angry Birds 2.
alright, so,
I'm the best at it.
3 divided by
No, I'm
x
playing by myself Angry Birds 2, and I'm talking to my friends while they're doing math.
times 6
No, I'll check later though. Bye.
y
Love you.
divided by y.
No, it's not
X.
divided. It's like a fraction. So divided, same thing.
Yeah,
Can I see your
fraction.
paper? Like, flip it over.
I'm back, boys. I love Angry Birds. I'm about to show them.
I'm writing the problem out.
It's
It might be-
not really like that, but it's fine.
I can still do it like that.
Yeah, I don't even care.
I'm gonna put the right way though. I want to do it the right way.
I'll show it to you. Goddamn.
Actually, yeah, this is a bit complicated, but I'm still gonna do it.
Wait.
Oh! Then why didn't you just put parentheses? Parentheses 33 divided by x times 6y. All those in the parentheses. That would have made it easier.
That's not this game.
Wait. Wait, quit Anthony, talk. I didn't write it down yet.
31x. Oh, I put a typo in the chat. That's fine. 31x.
Oh, 31x.
Yeah.
My bad. I thought it was 31 divided by x.
Angry Birds is the best physics.
And then times
Times
y.
6y fraction yx.
Yeah.
How should I do this?
Then put parentheses.
13.
Parentheses
Parentheses in the yx or after the fraction?
like that, just like that.
What like that?
Or I can just destroy that building.
Like that. Just keep going like that.
Alright, I'll put the 13. I'll put the
13?
parentheses 13 after the fraction.
Yeah, 13m.
13. I still have it in the chat. 13m minus
39.
3 divided by 93.
Okay.
Is it?
It's 13. Did you already write 13m?
At both 13m.
So do minus 3 divided by 9.3.
9.3.
Yeah.
Parentheses negative 17. Alright.
Yeah.
There.
Don't worry, I'm way too lazy to solve this.
That's how good we are.
Do you know how to solve it?
No, I just gave you a question. We had it on homework yesterday.
Let's go, Terrence.
Angry Bird fatherless, confirmed.
Yeah, let's go to
Alright, anyways.
Let's go to the super jackpot. How do I do this?
So,
I think that was the question. I hope it was.
Look how good I can get. This one.
aha!
Let's go.
1 divided by. So the x cancels out the 31x, leaving the 31 divided by y. Times 6 divided by x.
Where can I buy hats? So,
Okay, am I going in the right direction? I did the divide by yx. I did the divide by yx. So
I'm pretty sure I did it like that.
I don't want to get the gauge.
I don't even know this.
13m
Oh, here you go.
minus 3.
What are you guys learning right now?
Math.
No, I'm talking math to Terrence, whatever his name is.
No, I don't want to dress up.
What are you guys learning right now?
Math.
No,
Maths.
not you. Terrence, what are you learning right now in math?
Yes, boy.
Terrence is an angry bird.
Terrence, let's go, Terrence.
Alright, anyways.
But what do you like? What are you doing in math?
Ooh, I can turn Terrence cool.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Say Estegag. Not just
Estagag. Is that your
Estagag.
actual name?
No, I'm John.
John, what are you doing in math?
Algebra 1.
Let's
No,
get
but
to
like,
the
what are you
legendary.
doing in math?
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
What are you working on?
This one.
Quit. Can you answer that question for me?
Integers? I don't know.
Alright, you're not doing math with me then.
That's a
Are you
lot.
guys seriously doing integers?
No, I forgot what we're doing. Oh, integers. I remember what we're doing now.
That's unfair.
Oh no, we're
Well,
not
I'm not
doing
doing it. Aren't we doing like the properties and like we have to solve the question while with?
Oh, that's how I. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, now I can check if I'm.
Alright. So basically, we're doing pretty much regular algebra, like x, like what was the equal sign, but every time we do something, we have to say the reason why we did it, which is like the commutative property of addition and stuff.
Oh my god, I hate those.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Shoot. I have my mic turned on.
Oh, cool. We have the same math then.
Then you guys are both in math. Right?
Yeah, we're not in the same bell.
Stick him.
Then he's also doing algebra 1.
Alright. I don't know if my old name slash honors. Oh yeah, in
But I
our
don't
school,
think he went
there's
to
no-
this in honors.
Yeah, I don't. Quentin,
Yeah. Don't steal our egg. Yeah. Let's go.
what are you learning in history?
Let's go.
What are you learning in history, Quentin?
I don't know. Oh, I'm learning about the first settlers, the guys who made spears
Alright.
and canoes.
What are you learning in English?
English. I mean, I don't know what else. Well,
Actually, yeah, that.
guys, thank you for watching. Next time, we're gonna get to Port City. Shut up, Golda. No, thank you. We're gonna get to Newport City. Well, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Ciao. Ciao, yes sir.